Yo, what is good, YouTube? It's your boy HillBoyNeal, and today we're gonna be vibe coding Geometry Dash Lite using ChatGPT and Gemini Pro. Let's go. We're gonna make this simple, straight to it, and I'm gonna show y'all how to code it the right way. If you guys haven't played Geometry Dash Lite, it's a 2D game. I'm pretty sure it's made in Python. It's a lot of obstacles, but it's basically tapping to jump on the obstacle. Like let me show y'all real quick. So we gotta make it something like this. If we can make it something like this, it's over with, bro. I'm about to upload this on my iPhone and just play this. I ain't gonna lie. And you see the speed, and then you can move on to the next levels. You know what I'm saying? So I definitely want to get that incorporated, and it's actually pretty dope. Y'all should try playing the game yourself. Like it's an addicting game. I ain't gonna lie, bro. So let's go ahead and pull up Git Bash. We're gonna do CD desktop, so that way we can get into our desktop, and then we're gonna go ahead and do mkdir. I'm gonna call it geo-gbt. And then we're gonna go ahead and navigate into geo-gbt. Boom, and we're gonna do code space period enter. And now we have our file here set and ready to go. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and start putting ChatGPT to work. Start abusing it, yo. Let's see what it's gonna cook up. Give me the starter code for Geometry Dash Lite with multiple levels, different obstacles. I spelled different wrong. Oh my gosh. The rocket attribute, pixel styling. That's pretty much it. And music. Make sure the control functions are correct and working. I want to make this without using a game engine. And then what we're gonna do, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and get some photos of the actual gameplay. That way ChatGPT can read it just a little bit better. I'm gonna copy and paste this one. I'm also gonna save this photo too, because this is gonna align with more of our rocket attributes. And let's do one more photo, y'all. One more photo. We're gonna go ahead and save this photo as well. So we got 3 photos so far. So let's go ahead and let ChatGPT start cooking up. Let's see what we get. Below is a clean working starter project for Geometry Dash Lite. So we got the project structure, which is good. Index.html, style.css, levels. It's looking good so far. We're gonna use Copilot within VS Code. Now, when you guys are in Copilot, I want you to make sure that you're using ChatGPT within the model. We're gonna go ahead and use ChatGPT -5. Most importantly, let's copy and paste the project structure into there. We're gonna copy and paste the index.html. We're gonna copy and paste the style.css. We're gonna go ahead and copy and paste the levels. It looks like it wants us to use JS. Game.js, that's gonna be for the core engine. We're gonna copy and paste that. All right, y'all, here's the moment of truth. Let's go ahead and press this send button, and let's see what ChatGPT cooks up for us, bro. I'm gonna teach you guys a little lesson. Anytime you wanna run one of these commands like npm run dev or something like this, all you have to go to is go to terminal right here at the top, click new terminal, and it's gonna pop up right here. All you gotta do is click this insert to terminal button. It's gonna put it in there for you. Yo, big pause, yo. And we're gonna press enter. So now we're just gonna wait for the server to load up on our end. We're gonna try an alternative route. We're gonna copy and paste the all-in-one code. I'm gonna make an index.html real quick. I'm gonna make another one and see if this is gonna work. We're gonna copy and paste the code, and boom. It's moving hella fast though, chat. Can we at least get through the game, yo? I'm about to tell it to slow the speed down, gang. Bruh, yo, we almost got it. Nah. We need to look at the speed, bro. This is where I'm gonna show y'all how to really code, bro. Speed 4, that's like speed 100, bro. Let me see if we slowed it down. Boom, see, we slowed it down. Hold on. Bruh, but he can't jump though. He's not jumping, bro. He don't got no vert to him, bruh. Let's find where the vert's at. We gotta go way into the negatives. Let me try 80, bro. Let me try -80. Yo! Hey, he jumping out the gym like Jordan, yo. Hold on. We got to do way less than that. He needs to jump just a little bit further. So we gonna have to make it. Let's make it 4. Okay. That's a little bit better. It's a little bit better, you know what I'm saying, bro? Let me see if we can make him jump. All right, where'd he go? Where did bro go? We're gonna have to put this in the Copilot, bro. How do I make the cube jump more? What's the word for it, chat? Further? Horizontal? More horizontal? Yeah, why not? Let's see what it cooks up, man. Right now, it looks good. It looks good. I just want to be able to get past it. Oh, it was right here. Base horizontal scroll speed boost. That's on me, chat. At least it was speaking nil. This cube cannot get over these triangles, bro. Great, I added coyote time, jump buffering, and variable height. Okay, cool. Oh, bro does not have no vert at all. He don't got no bunnies, bro. He don't got no badges, bro. We got to figure this out, chat. We're going to add a double jump aspect. Add a double jump attribute. We just gonna put that. But this is good though, y'all, because you can literally study coding, but it's mathematics and then there's physics within game development. Okay. We gotta beat this game. This is pretty good so far. The last thing I'm gonna add is I'm gonna tell it to just add more obstacles, bro. It's 10 times better now. It's 10 times better. Nah, I can't get past this part. Fuck. I honestly want to keep adding more to it. I don't want to waste anybody's time. I don't want to make it too long. Let's go ahead and head into Gemini and let's see what Gemini is going to cook up for us, okay? This is pretty good though. Shout out ChatGPT. A lot of times ChatGPT be bougie as hell, bro. We are going to put the same prompt we put into ChatGPT into Gemini, and we're also going to put the photos in. Let's go to Gemini. So let's go ahead and click this submit button and let's see what it's going to cook up, chat. I really wanted to make this though. I want to see if we can get it to look like this. We're using main.py, player.py, level.py, and the assets folder for the music and the pixel images. But it looks like we have our starter code right here already. We're in the ChatGPT one. We're gonna go CD accent mark enter. We're gonna go CD desktop, and then we're gonna do mkdir geo-gemini. We're gonna go enter, and we have to navigate to geo-gemini. Let's do CD geo-gemini, enter code space. So minus all that damn yapping I'm doing, it completely calculated everything that we said, but we gotta see if it did the job and it lived up to its name. I'm gonna show you guys how to run this. We have an assets folder with nothing in it. We have a level folder, a main folder, and a player folder. We're gonna go ahead and click on terminal. We're gonna go to new terminal, and all you guys have to do is type in Python, and we're gonna do main.py. Boom, and right there we already got the game up and running. It's looking good. It's actually detecting the collisions too, which is good, and it's restarting. So this is actually a way better game as far as functionalities goes, if that makes sense. That's good. That's what you guys want to see right here. Okay, but let's play the game though. Yeah, this is way better. This is way better, yo! Just to make some improvements on the game, I went ahead and added that very complex screenshot of the gameplay. And we're gonna go ahead and say, make the game resemble this screenshot of gameplay. I think it's gonna just go to the level.py and just start adding different levels. Cause you guys can see right here, I mean, Python is the way to go, especially if you're making a 2D game. Now, enough talking. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay. I know that's a rocket attribute. I'm not gonna hit that yet. So let's restart the game again. Python main. Okay though. Yes, sir. I like this. Okay. Cool. Okay, it restarted, but it looks like we're on a new level. Okay, we almost there. Bro, this is so sensitive though. This game on expert mode right now, bruh. I would say in this case, I think ChatGPT won again, bro. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I think ChatGPT won again. It was easier to play. It was easier to manage. Gemini matched the styling a little bit better. I think there was definitely more obstacles in the way. ChatGPT on the first try, it definitely, actually it wasn't even on the first try. It took a couple of tries, but I think it produced a better product than Gemini. Now, which game would I build up off of? I would definitely say Gemini, because I was having issues with the jumping mechanism. And that's pretty much the only controls you get in the game is just tapping and double jumping. That's it. And I had a lot of issues with that using ChatGPT. So comment down below which version y'all think won this one. And if y'all want to start fights in my comment section on YouTube, then do that, bro. I'm all for it. Yeah, y'all have fun with it. Make your own games, replicate games, do whatever you want to do. Make sure y'all go like, comment, and subscribe for your boy. Let me know in the comment section down below which video game y'all want me to recreate next. And I'm gonna do that for y'all, bro. I always appreciate feedback, bro.